Menteri Sorkar bat MLA ke South Shillong, uba san bor Shulai, ula ong baya ke Shillong Ropeway Projek Kaba haru shispa san Klur, nakmi identi ban pindab house number 1, hadian ba ke projek kara sha penslam namar ki jing ha ke Ioh Jingbit klau, bar ke jing sha mudui. Habakran ha ke program prakati prabhagat pad yatra, uba Shulai ula ong ba ki officer na ke KEC TCL, bar ketna tourism, kilapin pikna baya ke kam karang ya chakman. Kani ka Ropeway kan pinyeso ya ke Shillong viewpoint Shamadan Laban. Ulaya thuru bala minjur ya ka bailuksan jaka kabalai Klur na ka binta ka Rai Laban. But 3.4 crore la deban siyo. Ula ong baki Trai Shnong kilong ki baningkong banyo Jingmyntoi ni kila jingyo kam bat kidukan andala trekam ka project. Uba Shulai ula binra ba hadian ba ka Meghalaya High Court kalaweng ya ka PIL ba layoru ya ka Jingbit Klau na ka sorkar pedeng ka project minta ka ya chikmat ban pindem hakapor balabu.
Programs of the central government under the Prime Ministership of Narendra Modi ji. So this program is the Prayata Prabhagati Path Yatra, ongoing 12 years of the Modi government, an initiative taken by the central government. So we have been given a directive to inspect all the ongoing project sanctioned by central government in the entire state. So you have seen, as you are all aware, that a few days ago, many of our central leaders, they came to visit our state, and they have inspected all the ongoing schemes in the entire state, in Mawkyrwat, then Mawdiang in New Shillong, all the ongoing projects funded by the central government. So today here in my constituency also, this one big major project, the Ropeway Projek. So based on this program, so we have arranged this inspection, this Ropeway Projek, which will be constructed right from the Shillong viewpoint, and here this place in Malaban, this is a landing place where we are here today. So all the reports based on the inspection and the report given by the technical official of the NEC, technical official of the company, KEC company, then official from the tourism department, engineering wing. So the progress of the work is in progress, and the time of completion based on the tender agreement, it is 3 years. Within 3 years they have to complete. So based on the conversation with them, so they have given the assurance that by next year the project will be completed, and accordingly the project will be handed over to the concerned department for the interest of the general public. So land compensation for rupees 3 crores has also been given to the Rai Dorbar, where the Rai Dorbar has parted their land to the tourism department, and the valuation of land was 3 crore. So in 2 installments, one installment has been given for 1.50 crore, and the remaining 1.50 crore has already been paid to the Rai Dorbar in the form of land compensation. So hopefully that once the project is completed, so it'll generate employment. So many shops will come up. So based on the agreement with the government through the Rai Dorbar, first preference, this shops, stalls will be given to the local through the recommendation of the Rai Dorbar, and also job employment also will be given to the local boys and girls of this locality of Rai Dorbar. Few months ago, it got stagnant with the forest department. So they have to fulfill the criteria of the forest department. Then the clearance is being approved by the Ministry of Forest and Environment, Government of India. It takes lots of times. And as you are all aware, in the middle, a few vested interests also, they have filed PIL, and even a complaint to me as a local MLA, to the Khubor Shillong, to the government. And subsequently, they have filed a PIL in the High Court. So after a few months, the High Court, after observation, they have given a verdict in favor of the tourism department, and they have squashed the set aside the PIL filed by vested interest people. So the deal is lying there for a few months, but now everything is clear and the work is in progress, and hopefully by next year the work will be completed and handed over to the concerned department. Before the Ministry of Forest and Environment, that is the criteria you have to sign in the form of affidavit. So once you cut one tree, you have to replace or you have to plant 10 trees in place of one.
Now, what is the project cost to this?
151 crores.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.